Well, good morning, YouTube. How's everybody doing? Today's Monday, August 6th, 7th, 2023. We are at the tennis courts here at Civic Center Park, our favorite park. I was going to give you a tour of the tennis courts, but it looks like they are repairing them. So we'll walk up here and see what we can see. We'll walk around, show you the outside of it, show you the tennis court rules. It's right next to the baseball field that we did the other day, so same proximity. So let's go ahead and walk around and let's do that. So as we come up to the rules here, see if I can zero in on these. I think you can see them. Maybe 10 or so. It says courts closed for maintenance on Monday, 1:30 to 3:30. But I don't think they quite mean what they're doing here. This is beyond just routine maintenance here. And you can see all the poles that they have down here. This is the very first one. And as you can see, they're really ripping it up. I guess August would be a good time to do this because nobody's going to be out here playing tennis. It's just way too hot. This is the low season, or high season, low season anyway. Not very many people in town. But we'll walk around the outside of it and I'll show you that. Go ahead and do that. Alrighty, so we're on the outside here. So let's go ahead and walk around. It's on the outside of the tennis courts. And we'll come to this area where they're working again. And as you can see, it's right by the ball field that we were at yesterday, which is right here. And there's the placard that we read the other day. So let's just go up here and see what they're doing. They're doing all of them. So we'll go over this area here. See if we can get a little bit better of a view. So we'll keep walking around. Bench down here. Now we get another big view here. What's going on here? And they're really tearing everything up. And we'll walk around to this back side over here. And there's the swimming pool over there. There's another view of the construction. Oh, looks like they're redoing the whole thing. Redoing the lines. Okay. And this is the back part of it here. That goes into this big sand area for volleyball. 4 different nets here. Here again, you're not going to see anybody out here. Although this morning's not bad. You could probably, young people could probably be out here. Let's continue our walk. Then, here's a sign about music. No amplified music without a permit. And then here's the placard for the volleyball. And you can see it's kind of falling over here. I'll zoom back around. More of this. Looks like this all the way around. Okay, hope you enjoyed the tour. Wasn't exactly what I thought it was, but in a way it's better because now we can come back when everything is all done and see what kind of a good job that they did. But we went all the way around. Nobody's out here today. Maybe tomorrow we'll do the kids area, the playground. Get out a little bit sooner than we are today, so hope everybody liked it. And you get an idea. Here again, we're at Palm Desert Civic Center Park in Palm Desert, California. And this is working and repairing of the tennis court. So hope everybody has a good week, a good month, and the rest of the year. And that's all for today.